Did you know you could get up to £10,000 to hire an apprentice from Telford College in property maintenance, bricklaying, groundworks, highways maintenance and road surfacing? You could be entitled to £2,500 a year through the Construction Industry Training Board for apprentice attendance payable in quarterly instalments, plus a £3,500 achievement grant on completion of the full apprenticeship. Just let us know that you want an apprentice and we will help you to become CITB registered, interview for an apprentice and find the perfect candidate. We will support you every step of the way. So help encourage the next generation to your industry and speak to the apprenticeships team today on 01952 642 200 or email apprentices@telfordcollege.ac.uk.